Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of Scholars Pathshala. Here is a problem is given if a equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, then find a to the power 12. Let's go start here. We have a is equal to 1 plus root 5, okay, by 2, and we can write a is equal to 1 plus root 5, okay. Now we can 2a minus 1 is equal to root 5. Now squaring the both sides, we get 2a minus 1 all square root 5 all square. Here we use a formula a minus 1 all square a minus b all square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, okay. Now we can write here 4a plus 4a square plus 1 minus 4a is equal to a square and root cancel is equal to 5. So we can write here 4a square minus 4a is equal to 5 minus 1. 4a square minus 4a is equal to 4. Now we can common the both sides equal to 4. We get a square minus 1 is equal to 4. Cancelling the 4 from both sides, we can write a square minus 1 is equal to a square minus, here will be 1, here will be a, here is a is equal to 1, okay. And we can write a square is equal to a plus 1. It is equation number 1. Now we multiplying by a the both side equation number 1, we can write here a cube is equal to a square plus 1. Here is a square by equation number 1, we can write here a plus 1 plus 1. So a cube is equal to a plus here will be a, here a 2a plus 1, 2a plus 1. We squaring the both sides, we can write here a cube all square is equal to 2a plus 1 all square. So we use here formula a plus b all square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write here a to the power 6 a to the power 6 is equal to 4a square plus 4a plus 1 square plus 1. Here we use from equation number 1 a square equal to a plus 1, okay. A to the power 6 is equal to 4 into a plus 1 plus 4a plus 1. Now we can write a to the power 6 is equal to 4a plus 4 plus 4a plus 1. We can write 4a and 4a is equal to 8a. A to the power 6 equal to 8a plus 5. Now we squaring the both side, we can write here a to the power 12 is equal to 8a plus 5 all square, because of a to the power m and n equal to a to the power mn. Okay, now we use here a plus b all square is equal to that I write here 64a square plus 25 plus 2 into 8a into 5. So here a to the power 12 is equal to, here is square, we write a plus 1, so 64a plus 1 plus 25 plus 80a. Okay, now we can write a to the power 12 is equal to 64a plus 64 plus 25 plus 80a. Okay, now we can write here a to the power 12 is equal to here 1 a 18a and 64a, adding we can write here 144a plus, here we can write 5 and 4 is equal to 9 and 2 and 6 is equal to 8. Okay, now we can write here a is equal to, given that 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, a to the power 12 144 by 2, 1 plus root 5 plus 89. Okay, here we can divide by 7 by 2. We divide 144 by 2 is equal to 72. So we can write 1 a to the power 12 is equal to 72 plus 72 root 5 and 89. So here is 7 to root 5, and here we can write here by adding 161 is our answer. Welcome to me. I hope that you will be understand this sum. Please subscribe my channel and ring bell button. Okay.